To charge your Redmi Watch 6, first thing you need to do is to go ahead and get your charging cable. And if you newly got yours, you're going to find the charging cable somewhere in the packaging box. So over here is where you find the charging cable. You just have to open it up and you're going to be able to find a charging cable that looks just like this. Now all you just have to do is to go ahead and open it up and then flip your Redmi Watch 6 to the back. And then just over here, you're going to find 2 pins. And this is basically where you want to connect the charging cable. So go ahead and just plug it like so. Now it is actually magnetic, so it is just going to magnet. And if it is not the right way, it is not going to attract with the smartwatch. So you would have to just turn it like this and then proceed to try it again, and now it should automatically just magnet with the smartwatch. Now once you've been able to do this, all you just have to do now is to proceed to connect this to any USB port that has a power in it. It can be your TV, your laptop, your PC, whatsoever. Or alternatively, you can even get a charging brick like this one and then just proceed to connect it to the charging brick, and then you can plug this to your power source as well. And then finally, if you're in situations where you can't actually maybe have access to a power bank or any USB power source, then you can actually get an adapter that looks just like this. Now this is actually a USB-C to a USB adapter, and you can just connect this to this little adapter. I'm going to be leaving a link to this adapter in the description of this video, by the way. And then you can also just plug this directly to your phone like so. And as soon as you plug it, you're going to notice that your Redmi Watch 6 will automatically start charging. Keep in mind, in order for this to work for some phones, you would have to actually turn on USB OTG. So in my case, I actually had to turn on the USB OTG on this device and it was able to charge. For some, you actually do not need to turn on USB OTG. If you find this tutorial useful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.